Some of the world's most beautiful plants contain chemistry powerful enough to kill. Deadly nightshade produces tropane alkaloids that can severely disrupt the nervous system. Poisoning can cause confusion, dangerous heart changes, seizures, and potentially death. Castor beans contain ricin, one of the best-known plant-derived toxins. Ricin damages cells by preventing them from making essential proteins. Rosary pea seeds contain Abrin, another extremely potent protein toxin. Abrin can stop protein production inside cells and cause severe organ damage.
Oleander looks ornamental, but nearly every part of the plant contains cardiac glycosides. These compounds can disrupt the heart's electrical activity and produce dangerous rhythm disturbances. Water hemlock is considered among North America's most dangerously toxic wild plants.
Its toxin can trigger violent nervous system overactivity, including seizures and respiratory failure.
Poison hemlock contains alkaloids that interfere with normal nerve-to-muscle communication.
Severe poisoning can progress to paralysis and failure of the muscles needed for breathing.
Monkshood, or aconite, contains potent compounds that interfere with electrical signaling in nerves and the heart. Its toxins can cause numbness, weakness, and life-threatening abnormal heart rhythms. Foxglove contains cardiac glycosides, related to medicines used in carefully controlled doses.
The raw plant can cause vomiting, confusion, and dangerous changes in heart rhythm.
Yew trees contain toxin alkaloids, especially in the needles and seeds. Toxins can disrupt cardiac ion channels and lead to sudden, severe heart failure. This beautiful autumn crocus hides colchicine, a toxin that can disrupt the way cells divide and multiply. Severe colchicine poisoning can damage the digestive system, bone marrow, and multiple organs.
Aha! Lily of the Valley is delicate-looking, yet it contains compounds that can affect the heart. Large exposures can produce nausea, weakness, and potentially dangerous cardiac rhythm changes.
Datura contains atropine-like chemicals that block an important neurotransmitter called acetylcholine.
Poisoning can cause severe agitation, hallucinations, overheating, rapid heartbeat, and coma.
Angel's Trumpet contains many of the same dangerous tropane alkaloids found in Datura.
Its toxins can disrupt vision, memory, temperature control, and normal heart function.
White snakeroot became infamous because its toxin could pass from poisoned livestock into milk.
Historically, contaminated milk caused severe illness known as milk sickness. The Manchineel is notorious for irritating sap and toxic apple-like fruit.
Contact with its sap can cause severe irritation, and eating the fruit can be medically dangerous.
Cerbera odollam contains cardiac glycosides that interfere with normal heart function. Its toxic compounds can produce dangerous rhythm disturbances and cardiovascular collapse.
Yellow oleander also contains powerful cardiac glycosides throughout the plant. Poisoning can disturb heart rhythm and electrolyte balance, making medical treatment urgent.
The Strychnine tree produces seeds containing strychnine, a notorious nervous system poison.
Strychnine removes normal braking signals in the spinal cord, causing extreme muscle spasms and seizures. Tobacco plants naturally contain nicotine, a potent chemical that acts on nervous system receptors.
Large nicotine exposure can cause vomiting, confusion, seizures, and dangerous cardiovascular effects.
Some rhododendrons contain grayanotoxins that alter sodium channels in nerves and muscles.
These toxins can occasionally contaminate honey and cause dizziness, low blood pressure, and abnormal heart rhythms.
Giant hogweed is dangerous because its sap makes skin extremely sensitive to ultraviolet light. Exposure followed by sunlight can cause severe blistering burns and long-lasting skin sensitivity. Pokeweed contains toxic compounds, especially in its roots, stems, leaves, and unripe berries.
Significant poisoning can cause severe gastrointestinal symptoms, weakness, and neurological effects.
Jequirity seeds may look decorative, but they contain the powerful toxin Abrin.
Abrin disables protein synthesis, which can lead to widespread cell injury and organ failure.
Black locust contains toxic proteins concentrated in parts such as bark, leaves, and seeds. Poisoning can produce nausea, abdominal symptoms, weakness, and other systemic effects. Horse chestnuts are not edible chestnuts. Raw seeds contain toxic compounds including esculin. Poisoning can cause stomach upset, weakness, confusion, and problems with coordination.
Lantana is a common ornamental plant, but parts of it can be toxic to humans and animals.
Large exposures can cause gastrointestinal illness and, in some cases, liver-related effects.
Azaleas belong to the Rhododendron family and can also contain grayanotoxins. These compounds can cause nausea, weakness, low blood pressure, and dangerous heart rhythm changes. Elderberry plants contain cyanogenic compounds, especially in leaves, stems, and unripe fruit.
Improper consumption can cause nausea and other toxic effects, so identification and safe food handling matter.
Cassava is a major food crop, but raw plant material contains cyanogenic compounds.
Safe processing is essential because excessive cyanide exposure can interfere with the body's ability to use oxygen.
These toxins quickly travel up the spinal column, overwhelming the neural pathways and causing severe neurological distress upon reaching the brain.